Just exquisite. Look at that. Oh man, that's the silk too. Rolls and rolls and rolls of them. Never thought they would have these in Egypt. That's pretty incredible. This is the one Michael and Tony like. It is stunning. Oh man, that silk feels so nice. So does that air conditioner. Yeah, it's pretty warm today. Right now, it's a mere 89, but it feels warmer. That one feels good too. Beautiful. Look at this. Just look at that. Just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. Wow. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. You saw him cranking them out downstairs.
You could have that in like a sunny spot.
And maybe going home with the rug.
Ship them.
That's what she said. But you may be getting rug. She's over there winning.
I'm not surprised. Color me not surprised. Color me not surprised. I know what you do.
Yes. He would be the one who would decide that.
We have that in small size too.
I don't choose any of that. If we were slightly our